In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a highlighted table in Tableau, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to brush up on some skills, this quick guide will get you up and running with creating a striking visualization effortlessly. First, we'll need to launch the Tableau app. Once you have it opened, you'll be greeted by the interface, which is highly visual and intuitive to use. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you're not yet acquainted. You'll find that the different elements are designed to make your data exploration seamless. Now, after launching Tableau, it's time to access your worksheet. Think of this as your blank canvas, where all the visualization magic takes place. You can do so by navigating to the Worksheet section in Tableau's main menu. It's here that you'll begin building the tables that will help highlight your data insights. Let's proceed to the next step by clicking on Category. As you do this, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. This function allows you to select multiple fields simultaneously, which is particularly helpful when you need to manage various data points for analysis within a single visualization. After you've selected your category field, click on Sales as well. Then move your attention to the right of the screen where the Show Me panel is located. Within this panel, you'll find a variety of chart types. From there, click on the highlighted table chart. This action instantly transforms your selections into a visually rich highlighted table that showcases your data relationships effectively. Next, you'll want to add some more depth to your table by dragging the subcategory dimension to the rows shelf. This action allows you to break down your category into more specific components, giving your table that extra layer of detail and insight. Following that, you'll drag the order date field to the column shelf. This helps in organizing your data by time, offering a comprehensive view of how your subcategories have performed over different periods. To further refine your time dimension, click on Order Date and select Add Quarter. This ensures you're capturing a more granular view of trends over time. Once your table structure is laid out nicely, we can go ahead and tidy up our workspace. Hide the Show Me menu to give yourself a clearer view of the table you've just created. This not only makes your workspace cleaner, but also helps you focus on analyzing your highlighted table without distractions. With these steps, we've crafted a highlighted table in Tableau that's both informative and visually appealing. Feel free to explore these settings and tailor them further to suit your specific data needs. Thanks for joining, and I hope this enhances your next Tableau project.